Okay, so now that we're back from the loss of a battery, because it ran out, I will show you how to open this thing. You go to the bottom, pull out the flap, and look at that.
I'm your dumpster divers.
And this bag is reusable.
Amateur video. Ooh, fancy zippable usable bag. Okay, should I zoom in on that?
Yeah.
All right. Oh, Republic of Gamers. All right.
They have metal stickers that you can
Oh yeah,
put on
magnetic
wherever.
stickers. It comes with magnetic stickers.
These are
cool.
some screws, probably for
These are magnetic stickers,
screwing it in, obviously.
so that you can customize your power supply.
Yeah, look at these. I'm gonna open them so I can show y'all how cool they are.
Yeah, she got pretty excited about that when she saw it in the advertising.
Yeah. I mean, look at this. There's
Now this was not a Black Friday deal,
this one
but
and this one. Zoom in on all of them.
zoom in on all of them.
Yeah.
Yeah, this one's kind of cool, eh?
Yeah, I'm keeping that one.
Neato. That's their
And
symbol.
these are stickers that aren't, I don't think
these are magnetic.
magnetic.
Yeah, that's not magnetic.
Jinx.
It's a Republic of Gamers sticker.
Yeah, there's black,
Yeah.
there's red, and there's white.
You've already got one of those on your case. Okay.
Yeah.
Anyway.
I'm gonna put another one on there.
Okay.
These are instructions. Ooh, 20% off on cable mod cables.
Oh
That's
yeah.
so cool.
Uh-huh.
Hold on, I'm gonna.
Save up.
Somebody should blur out
You've already
the
talked me.
code on the background.
Oh, well, I'm pretty sure it's blurred out. Okay. So you're gonna show us what's in this box, because we're all chomping at the bit. Pretty fancy bag there, eh?
Yeah, reusable. Zoom in on it.
Yeah. They see it. They see it. Okay. So you talked me into buying this.
Yep.
But it was a great deal. It was really a great deal.
Don't say how expensive it is. Actually, you can, but whatever.
Yeah, it was.
This is the power cord for it.
And they guaranteed that it would not go up like for Black Friday. The price would not go down. So we got it at Black Friday price.
Black styrofoam.
Yeah.
I just have to show
Hang
that
on to all that, because, you know, sometimes stuff happens and things don't work. But, so yeah, we could do a video of how to exchange a power supply unit on an already built system.
Maybe my friend could help us with that video.
That, you know, extension.
Look
It is a
at
nice looking
this
power
thing.
supply. It's a really nice looking.
You could
power
like
supply.
this.
Yeah, it looks like it's got RGB all right.
I'm
don't
not
know.
sure though. See, look.
Yeah, there.
You could put it this
Yeah,
in
see
there.
that? Yeah.
cover-
You select how it goes.
Yeah, to cover stuff. This.
Or you could just even leave it the way it is.
You could cover it with this. You could leave it like that.
I like the
You
way
could put this
it looks about
on there.
Or you could put it somewhere else.
Yeah, you could put it
The eyeball logo
somewhere else.
on the outside of your case.
Yeah. And these, I don't think these are. Yeah, they aren't magnetic.
Yeah, they're it's for fanboys and fangirls.
And there's a label on the
And fan people.
bottom.
Well,
Dad,
don't
I
worry
want to
about
peel
that.
this off.
No, don't do that.
Okay. I won't.
That looks good. Because if it doesn't work right, and we have to return it, we want to keep that label on it. It's gold standard, so yes, we want that gold standard.
All these cords.
Yes, I see that. Yeah, modular.
This is CPU,
Fully modular
VGA,
gold.
and PCIe,
Yeah.
and motherboard or MB.
That would be the power, I think, to the motherboard.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Hold on, let me just open these and I'll tell you what they are. Oh, Yes, I get to use
You don't
my
have to.
trusty.
Your razor blade.
I'm only gonna use this much
Okay.
because you don't really need that much, and I really don't want to hurt anything in here.
Okay. Might have to. Okay, those look like Molex to SATA or SATA cables for your drives,
Well, it says it right here.
for your hard drives.
It says all of the cables
Oh yeah,
right
okay,
there.
right on the box. Very straightforward.
Mm-hmm.
ASUS is
These
well known
are
for
the
that.
SATA cables. These are the SATA cables.
Yeah, the SATA power cables. Yep.
And these are.
Yeah, those are SATA again.
Yeah.
Oh. I think, and that might be your Molex, yeah, 4-pin power things, because they still need things for Molex. Can you believe it or not? Even in
Maybe it's this.
these days, yeah.
Yeah, it's peripheral
Connectors,
Yeah,
they just call it.
peripheral connectors. Okay, now I get to use this thing again. Remember, protection.
Yeah, okay.
You have to do that so it doesn't hurt somebody.
Okay.
Even though
All
you
right.
trust yourself, I don't trust myself. So, anyways,
These are all the other power connectors.
Are
That would be probably for your CPU.
yeah, these are PCIe.
Yeah.
These are PCIe.
Yeah, okay.
These are PSU.
Okay, so that's your power supply unit.
Mm-hmm.
Probably to your
These
system
are
board.
also PSU.
Okay. And then you got your big one, which
Yeah.
is for your main power line to your system board.
And this one, which is PCIe, I think I already showed that one.
Yeah, basically to your CPU.
I really like these bags because
And there's one that's
you could put extra
for your-
crap in here.
extra crap in there, yeah.
Yeah, like you could put
your fan mails.
magnets. You could
Yeah.
put your cords in here. Actually, I think I want to keep the.
I think your cords
mag-
are supposed to go in there. Yeah. Okay, good. So are we done now with the Republic of Gamers?
No,
power
because
supply
we have
unit?
to open.
No, you don't have to.
Okay.
That's minor. Okay. So there we go.
I'm gonna put
There
all
it is,
these away
folks.
so I can make my
750 watt
viewers
gold standard
satisfied.
Strix power supply. See, right over here it'll say 700. I don't know if you can see it on the camera, but it says ROG 700 and 50 watt gold. But the shadow is kind of.
And they give you just a bunch of zip ties. I love that because
Yes,
zip
those
ties
are very
used,
handy, yes.
Zip ties are used
Cable
to-
management.
Yeah, cable management. Very useful.
And
These, I think, I'm gonna put the zip ties and the magnets.
since she was kind enough to sacrifice her power supply unit for her guest computer, I thought it'd be in order to.
And hey, I can tell all my friends that, hey, you're using the power supply unit that I used to put in my computer.
Okay, so I'm hoping
these are probably
that's
more
actually for
cable
more
management.
cable management. Yep. All right, that's really nice.
Actually,
They really give you a lot there.
yeah, I'm gonna put this in here and put all the cables in here.
That makes sense. If it fits, why not?
Yeah.
Okay. All right. Are we done? Can I turn it off now? That's one of our problems solved, we think.
Bye!
There's going to be a whole lot more, but that's step one to the problem.
Bye, viewers! Have a great day!
Have a great day, viewers, from Dumpster Divers, PC
Reclamation.